Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix you can't message this account. So guys, if you try to send the message to someone on Instagram, it's not working and you're getting the error like this, and I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the Instagram app. So let me tell you that you have to open the Instagram app, and after that guys, what you need to do is you simply have to tap on your profile here. You can also tap on the home screen and you can see the story here. So guys, if you want to send the message to someone and you are seeing the story for that person, just simply have to tap on that and just simply have to tap on send message, so you can send him message very easily through the story. So guys, if it's not working, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open the Instagram. Let me tell you that tap on three dots, tap on setting and privacy. Let me tell you that scroll it down. You can see account privacy option here. If his account is private, then you cannot send him message. Okay guys, you can also see this option. So just simply have to tap on message and story replies. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on message control. So guys, if he turned off the request for all the person, then you cannot send him the messages. Okay guys, just simply ask your friend that he has to change his settings. After that you can easily send him message. So here is the another way to send him message. Just simply block that person and then unblock it again, and after that you can send him message. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.